How to block ads on Tubi TV. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to block ads on Tubi TV. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is head over to your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and you can head over to tubi.com. Here on Tubi TV, what you can do is there is no inbuilt ad blocker. So what you can do is if you're using any web browser like Chrome, you can add an extension to this. So open up a new tab and then click on this extensions tab. Once you get here, click on manage extensions and head over to Chrome Web Store. Once you land on the Chrome Web Store, click on extension and then simply search for Tubi Ad Skipper. Hit enter and then you'll find this option Tubi Ad Skipper or the ad blocker. All you need to do now is click on Add to Chrome. And once the extension has been added, you should be able to enjoy your free movies and TV shows on Tubi without having to see any ads. So that's how you basically block ads on Tubi TV. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.